In this video, we will show you technologies of the future that will blow your mind. The catch is, they already exist. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more content like this. Let's get started. Invisibility. You heard that correctly. There are already several ways to cloak objects and make them invisible to the naked eye. One of the ways is through a technology known as active camouflage. Through the use of cameras and small LED screens, the object can be completely camouflaged by whatever environment is directly behind it. Metamaterials are another widely used technology that use reflective materials to cloak objects through the direction of light. Though it is not as practical as active camouflage, it is effective in environments with high fog or clouds. The flying car. Produced by Chinese company Yihong, this personal flying vehicle is something pulled right out of the future. Not only do they have working models for a single pilot, they also have fully functioning passenger models. Tests have also been done to use the manned drone in emergency situations, such as a high-rise fire. With more competition entering this market, it will be interesting to see where this technology is in the years ahead. Color-changing cars. What if you could change the color of your car with one button? Well, BMW may have made it a reality. With a technology called e-ink, the car can rapidly change colors. The material is made of many small pigment capsules that can change color when electricity is applied. This is the same material that has previously been used in tablets and e-readers such as the Kindle. The technology is currently being tested for cars and has been unveiled by BMW at CES 2022. Exoskeletons. In the future, humans and machines will work more closely to make tasks easier, sometimes closer than you may think. The exoskeleton has long been a promise of the future, especially for military applications. With many companies entering the exoskeleton market, we can see all of their amazing achievements over the past few years. One of the leaders in exoskeleton technologies is Esco Bionics. Their systems are mostly developed for healthcare and work-related applications. Their technologies are helping people prevent injuries and helping those who have already been injured recover or adapt to their situation using an exoskeleton. This is a market we will be closely watching over the next few years, with many potential breakthroughs on the way. What did you think of these incredible technologies? What other tech would you add to the list? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for future content like this. Thanks for watching.